Hey, if you want to perform the hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, first of all you have to open the settings, then scroll down all the way down and you have to go into the general management. Now scroll down and go into the reset. Now scroll down and select factory data reset. Now that's the basic information what we are going to remove from our phone, and also the accounts that we are going to remove. Of course, it will be good to remove your SIM card, because when you perform the reset, you will also remove your SIM card data. So click reset if you are sure that you want to perform the hard reset. Click to delete all data. And it looks like we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network for some reason, in my case, so let's do this. I'm gonna quickly connect into the Wi-Fi by scanning the QR code. There we go. It looks like we have to confirm with our account. So I'm connected, so click to delete right now. And as you can see, we have to log in into this account and we have to basically confirm that we want to perform the reset. So let's do this. And there we go. We have to open our email and click on this button to perform the reset. Then just go back. And as you can see right now, we can perform the hard reset. So right now, just wait until your phone performs the reset and then just turns on back. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.